Hi, welcome back to the piano tutorial of BCLC's beginner's lesson. My name is Coach Benji and I'm gonna be teaching you today about finger numbers. Okay, so it's really important to know your finger numbers, to know what fingers are you going to use on a certain melody or a certain chord you're playing. Okay, so to start with, let's have your right hand. Okay, so if this is your right hand, okay, of course you need to know where's your right and left. Okay, so this is your right hand and this is your left hand. Okay, let's start first with right hand. Okay, so how many fingers do we have? We only have 5 fingers. So 5, we numbers our fingers from 1 to 5. So where's finger number 1? Guess it. Okay, finger number 1 is this one. Finger number 2 is this one. Finger number 3, 4, and then 5. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? So now how about your left hand? Your left hand still the same. Your thumb is still your number 1. Finger number 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay? So as you can see, my 2 hands with 10 fingers, both have different directions, but they have a different, the same finger numbers. Okay, your thumb is always finger number 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Okay, so it's really important that you know your finger numbers, because in a song, in a music sheet, there's a number on top of the note that is indicated there, your finger numbers. So I'm gonna be teaching you soon how to read notes. Okay, so but first you need to know what are the finger numbers, so that you know what fingers are you going to use on that certain melody or note. Okay, thank you. That's it for today, and hope to see you soon in the next video.